Hey LTD fam, it's Sarah here with a quick and easy tutorial on how to slice up a picture so that you have a really fun sliding image here on Instagram in your carousel. As you know, most of the photos that we see on Instagram are vertical, so it's really fun, especially for your audience to be a little bit more engaged, to have this sliding image so you can see a whole horizontal photo. And it's really easy, so let's get started here. I first start out in Lightroom and edit my photo to how I want it to look on my feed. You guys can see another different edit of it. It's a much lighter edited version, but this is what I like on my Instagram. So I've already gone through the process of editing it, and this is what I want to show. And then once you're done with editing your photo and when you're happy with it, you're just going to right click on the image down here on the thumbnail and go to edit and edit in Photoshop. Technically, if you're not going to edit your picture, you don't need to even open it up in Lightroom. You can just bring it right into Photoshop. Once you're in Photoshop, you're going to want to click here, the fifth button down. It is the crop tool. For some reason, if your crop tool isn't showing, it's probably because something else is highlighted there. So you just have to right click and click crop tool. Once you click crop to, go over here and make sure that ratio is selected. And once ratio is selected, you're going to want to put in 8:5. That's because the normal vertical Instagram photo is 4:5, but to slice a picture into two images, you want multiples of 4 since 4 is the width. So since I'm going for two images, I am opting to put this as 8. If you want 3 images, that's going to be 12. If you want 4 images, that's going to be 14, and so on. You get the point. It's basically just a multiple of 4. So the ratio is 8:5, and you're just going to click enter so that you can crop it. And there it is. It's already cropped for you. But now that it's cropped, you're going to want to basically slice the image in two so you can post it to Instagram. And that's where you go to view, go down to new guide layout, and then make sure you can click on custom, and then just make sure everything here is clear. And you'll just want 2 columns. And when you put in 2, you're going to have nice layouts here, new grid lines. It's going to cut your picture image into 2, and you press OK. Then you're going to go back to that crop tool, right click, and click slice tool. Now that you've clicked on the slice tool, make sure that this says fixed aspect ratio width 8, height 5. It should automatically say that because of a crop before, but just in case. And then click slices from guides. These are going to create slices from these guidelines that we just made. Now to save these 2 photos that you made to your computer, you're going to go to File, Export, Save for Web. And you're going to want to make sure that these are JPEG formats so that your phone can upload them to Instagram. And click Save. I save them here on my desktop. And images only, default setting, all slices. So I click Save now. Now, if you save them to your desktop like me or wherever you save them, they will be in this additional folder called Images. So just click on Images and you will see your photos right there. And when you're uploading these to Instagram, make sure that you upload them in the right order so that they come out exactly the way that you want. So I would put this one first and then this one second. Anyways, that is all for this quick and easy tutorial on how to create a sliding image on your carousel. If you guys found any part of this tutorial to be helpful, please let me know with a like button or a comment below. And of course, if you guys use this tutorial for your own Instagram, I would love to know and leave you lots of love on your posts. Please tag me, DM me, whatever it is to get my attention so that I know what your sliding image looks like. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to chat soon. Bye!